Hi everyone, my name is Akshat and I'm finally here at the Delhi airport, and things look great over here as of now, and I'll be traveling to Bengaluru. It's a really fun experience coming here after maybe around 8 or 9 years. So let's have a look at the airport itself. It's a lovely morning right now. It's probably around 6 as of now, and yeah, things look great. I'm still trying to figure out how I'll be getting my boarding pass. I do have the electronic version of it, but maybe I do need the tickets. So let's see how that goes. Hi guys, I'm back. So we have finally made the baggage check-in. I guess that's what we call it. And things are looking pretty good as of now, and I have to figure out where to go as of now. So here's the ticket, and it says that I have to be at gate number 48, and it's a Vistara. So things look pretty good. I'll probably look to wait for Shrey. And I don't know, maybe if Pulkit is also joining us. So these are two folks from Avatar, where I've been working for the last month, and pretty excited to see them for the first time. We have seen each other maybe through their profiles online, but not other than that. So yeah, excited to see them, and maybe the next video will be featuring them. So yeah, let's see. So guys, I've finally done the check-in, and we'll be going in soon. Still haven't met Shrey yet. Maybe it'll take a while. Maybe we might just meet on the flight. So let's hope for that. And let me show you a view of the airport in general. It looks nice to me as of now. I mean, there are a lot of brands over here. It looks like a mall, and I've sitting, I've been on flights, but I don't remember all these places as of such. But yeah, it does look like a shopping mall to me over here. But does that make sense? Why would you have these brands over here? Makes a little sense, but yeah, it is pretty, I have to say that. So I think the ideology is that people might be free over here, some people who check in early, and they would be probably shopping over here. Sounds neat. Let's see where we'll be headed to. I have to be at gate number 84, so I do see some signs for some gates. I could see for 27 to 62, and there's a McDonald's upstairs. But yeah, what do you think? Will the McDonald's be over expensive over here, or will it be the standard price? I'm pretty sure most of you must have been on a flight recently, unlike me. So I'm at the food court, I guess, of this big shopping mall inside the airport, and things look pretty normal. I see a lot of outlets over here for the food as well. You could gaze at some. Looks pretty nice. And then we have this another view, which I really like. So I think we should showcase it. I do have some vivid memories of being over here. So it looks pretty nice. It does look like a shopping complex. Let's go further and check out. We do have some lounges over here. There are even washrooms available. Should I check out the washrooms? Is there any difference between these places? Let's just see. Yeah guys, I think I've finally explored the food court also, and I just wanted to show you my new kicks for the day. So yeah, these are from Woodland, and I recently purchased them because I'll be traveling a lot this year, and footwear is something which is very essential for us. So that was a good decision for me, I think. But yeah, now I have to go downstairs from this food court area because I had to be at gate number 84, but I got in a different lane. But since I had some extra time, so I assume it's a no big deal. And the flights look great from here. I can see SpiceJet. Let's have a look. It's like I've been looking at airplanes for I've been looking at airplanes, but through videos and maybe some TV shows. So it's very interesting to actually see these places. As I said, like I am visiting an airport after like 9 years, I think, and we are back to the shopping complex where I don't see anyone buying anything, but I guess it serves their purpose of just setting things up. And we'll be heading straight now towards our area. So far the GoPro experience has been really good for me. So this video is being shot on GoPro Hero 10, and it was really fun to have it in my hands yesterday. I just got it yesterday, and today I have started filming. I don't have any prior experience to vlogging as such, but it does seem interesting to me the way things are going so far. Now we do see some other gates coming in. I see 37 also in the line, but 84 is nowhere so far. So it'll be interesting to see where we'll get 84. Let me be back. I'll ask around from a few people where I should be heading towards, because the boarding time is supposed to be 7:05. It's already around 6:50 over here. So let's see. Guys, I'm such a dumbass. I started asking around from people that where is gate number 84, but apparently there is no gate 84. So for maybe like 2 seconds I got a little panicked of what's happening. Then I looked at my ticket and it was 48. So it's really nice to see that I've started forgetting a little bit of the things. It is overwhelming, you know, the whole experience of packing your things up, moving to some another city. Even though I've been like, this move is only for the next 10 days, but yeah, it was really cute of me to ask around for gate number 84. So I do see gate number in the 40s coming up, and things look pretty nice. We have these things helping around some other people. Don't know if it's allowed for us also. Us as in the single people over here who are walking down. I do see some people on some escalator kind of a thing. Don't know what that is. I am simply just walking over here as of now. Looks pretty neat. Back to my face. Since it's the first vlog, maybe I don't know what to talk about as such. There's not much you can talk about for like an hour. Let me pause this video and get back to you when things seem pretty straightforward now. Oh, I am on this escalator thing as well now. So maybe I should have taken this other lane. So this is nice. It's like doubling down your speed for you. And it's a beautiful scenery over here as of now. We are nearing towards gate number 42. I have a call from Shrey. Hello. So guys, we just had a call from Shrey and he has just boarded. So most probably we'll be meeting in the flight. I don't know if there is another process to go on. Like I'm just thinking that when I'll be at gate number 48, I'll just get to enter the flight. I don't know. But let's see if there is some other process to go on. Things have been pretty smooth so far because I was skeptical whether my luggage would be accepted because we had a limit of 15 kilograms, but I felt I went overboard because I do go to the gym and I lift up over 20 kilograms of the weights, but the suitcase felt heavier than that. So I was skeptical whether they will ask me for some extra money because the limit was exceeding. But no, things have been fine only. And now I can see gate numbers 43 starting up. There are a few nice things going on over here. There's like a bar, like eateries over here. I can see some more flights from over here. We're still at gate number 40. Let me see. It goes up till. Okay, nice. This one says gate number 43 is over here, and yeah, I can see 43. We still have to go 5 more gates. I mean, to do this on a daily basis would be a big problem, I think. I'm going to be traveling this whole month, so I'm thinking about myself that will I be able to like board the airports this frequently, because I've even heard that Bangalore takes around 2 hours, like from the airport to the place where I'll be staying. So I'll be staying at Marathali, and that's where the Avatar office is. I see a lot of people sleeping. This feels weird, but people are just chilling in their own way. So we are at gate number 45 as of now. There's another cycle thing coming in. Not a cycle, it's like a e-rickshaw for maybe some elderly people, but I do see some youngsters. I don't know if that's paid or not. Some advertisement going on. People are watching advertisements as if it's something really interesting. So guys, I finally see our gate number 48. Thank God I didn't have to be 84, otherwise I would have been walking for an hour. Pretty interesting, and so far I'm really enjoying, vlogging on GoPro. I don't know how well this comes up while I am putting it out, but things look great. And I'm wearing my Spider-Man t-shirt. I really like it because it has like a very cool symbol, and I love the blue in it. Yeah, let's not divert. Coming back to the point, we have reached gate number 48. Now I don't know where I'll be going from here. Okay, maybe even I'll have to sit around like everyone. Let's just sit. Maybe I'll ask someone at the dealers, and then we'll get back to another video. We're gonna land soon, guys. likes the Bangalore weather.
Bangalore is quite nice.
And he's looking forward to hunting for some new houses or properties where we might stay in August. So what else today? Do you have anything else planned for today?
Apart from that, yeah, I think we might be chilling on the rooftop bar for hotel.
Can't wait for that. And I don't know why they're playing a song over here. They weren't playing this before.
They generally do when we are taking off and
To chill the people, I guess.
दिव्य सज्जनों, बेंगलुरु में समय से पूर्व आपका स्वागत है। बाहर का तापमान 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन्स का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि कुर्सी की पेटी का संकेत बंद होने तक अपने निर्धारित स्थान पर बैठे रहें।
We're at the Bangalore airport right now, guys. We'll be meeting Pulkit soon. And do you think he'll be there at the baggage area itself? Or
I think
have
he'll
to
be
go
outside.
He'll be outside. Hi Pulkit.
Hi.
Hi. All good?
सही, तुम बताओ कैसा चल रहा है?
कितनी देर से आप वेट कर रहे हो?
यार मेरे को तो अभी 10 मिनट भी नहीं हुए।
ओहो, नाइस नाइस।
इतने में तो मैंने मील कर लिया यार अपना। हाँ भाई, चाय पॉइंट सैंडविच खा लिया है। अरे मील होता है। अरे मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ था फ्लाइट में, मैं आराम से सो रहा हूँ, ठीक है। वो आके मेरे को उठाती है और बोलती है कि आपका मील कमरे है, आप बताओ क्या।
Why does everyone keep saying that the weather is the only key thing over here?
यार वो पता चलेगा। जैसे 2 वीक्स तो काफ़ी फ़नी रहेगा। 2 वीक्स में कोई पीटी नहीं है।
Okay.
उसके बाद है कि अगर रहना पड़ जाए तो
रहना तो पड़ ही रहा है गेस्ट था।
हाँ, रहना तो पड़ रहा है यार। वो सबके लिए ही एक ऐसे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ है, किसी ने एंटिसिपेट नहीं किया था।
The two OGs giving us the Bangalore taste.
भाई OG को क्या किया? अरे वो
Hi guys, so we have finally reached and we'll be heading towards our hotel now. And from confidential sources, I have heard that it takes maybe around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to reach there. So guys, what do you do during this journey? Do we stop anywhere or do we like just go and rest at the hotel and
kind of like directly go to the hotel only.
okay.
Then we kind of sleep for an hour or two, or we have lunch.
Okay, okay.
Straight we'll go to.
Sounds great. And the weather does look good over here. It looks quite unique to me. And it feels rainy today. And we have everyday Bhaiya over here. Hi. I think you get what I said. I don't feel any difference in the air though, to be honest. Like it's fine only. guys, so we are finally at the rooftop here. We have met Mr. Anuvesh. Just give a glimpse of yours. We have met Mr. Hi Mr.
Hi. What is that?
So this
What
is
is this?
GoPro, I'm vlogging.
Oh yeah.
Nice, nice. Hi everyone, so we are exploring the canteen section right now and it looks kind of nice. Let's see. Over here. Hi everyone, so it's around 6 right now and we are all tired from all the work people have been doing. Some people have also started sitting on the desk itself. So let me introduce you to her. Yeah, this is Mansi.
Hi guys.
Hi, this is Akhila.
Hi.
So how was the day been so far for you guys?
Extremely tiring, like you said. Yeah, so tiring. I have to sit on a desk.
Very nice. So here we have Rakesh, who has been commenting on my height since yesterday.
Seriously, man. We can't judge by the Google Meets and all. He's too tall.
Very nice. The office looks really good. Let me just quickly vlog. Beautiful office. The resting place. Working. The office is really nice. This is a new section, by the way. Like, it was recently set up, so we are in like the first floor. There is another office for the 3D artists at on the sixth floor, I think. Yeah, so things look really great over here. There's a conference hall, meeting room. It's the entrance for the place. We have Shubham as well. Vlog Shubham. Hi Shubham.
Hey Akshay, please go back to work.
Okay. Heading back right now.
Workspace is not that great. You should have gone to Echo Space or Echo Space and which is another one? Echo World or something.
Nice.